Hey everyone, Brianna here, your personal realtor, and I'm so excited to share with you our newest listing in the heart of Palmetto Bay. Welcome to 7720 Southwest 183rd Terrace, a 5-bedroom, 3.5 dream home tucked away in a private cul-de-sac in one of Miami's most sought-after neighborhoods. Just look at this. Over 4,300 square feet of living space sitting on a massive 35,900 square foot lot. That's almost an acre. There's plenty of room to spread out and enjoy, and the layout is designed for families who love to live, entertain, and relax. Plus, it comes with a 4-car garage, perfect for car enthusiasts or anyone needing extra storage space. You'll find 2 spacious family rooms, a gourmet kitchen with gorgeous granite countertops, and a driveway big enough for all your guests. And wait until you see the master suite. Not only is it spacious and elegant, but it includes a private office and even a built-in sauna. This space was made for relaxation and recharging. It's like having your own spa right at home. But let's talk about the showstopper, this backyard. The screened-in pool and spa are perfect for weekend barbecues, hosting friends, or just unwinding after a long day. It's private, peaceful, and absolutely perfect for enjoying the Florida weather. The market conditions here in the village of Palmetto Bay continue to look strong. Inventory remains low, and the homes in the area are in high demand, thanks to the community's incredible amenities, family-friendly atmosphere, and prime location. Purchasing this home now is not just about finding the perfect property, it's also an investment in a thriving neighborhood. Palmetto Bay's growing popularity and limited housing inventory means home values are expected to appreciate in the coming years. With interest rates showing signs of decline, this is truly the right time to act. If you're considering making this home yours, I'd be happy to connect you with a loan officer to discuss financing options and explore how this purchase fits your goals. Don't wait too long. Opportunities like this don't last in today's market. Now let's talk about location, because it's unbeatable. Palmetto Bay is known for its beautiful surroundings and incredible family-friendly atmosphere. You're minutes away from Old Cutler Road, the historic Deering Estate, and amazing parks like Bill Sadowski and Coral Reef Park. Whether you're biking, walking, or cruising around in your golf cart, life here feels safe, relaxed, and fun. This vibrant village of Palmetto Bay is home to over 24,000 residents who absolutely love it, with good reason. There are fantastic public schools and top private options like Palmer, Trinity, Westminster Christian, and Gulliver Prep. Plus, as of May 2024, Palmetto Bay joined Zillow's elite list of millionaire cities in South Florida, a true testament to its charm, beauty, and growing value. With its blend of old Florida charm and modern sophistication, Palmetto Bay truly offers the best of South Florida living. It's a place where families thrive, businesses grow, and neighbors become friends.